Are you an investor who is ready to dabble in a fix and flip project? Or maybe you are an experienced investor and you've done fix and flips through the years and you're ready for your next project. And you're looking for financing that is flexible, reasonably priced out, and has lots of options for you in the way of getting financed without having to prove your income. You're in luck. You're in the right place. My name is Amy DeBusk, and I am your certified mortgage planner. And today I'm going to do a deep dive on the fix and flip loan product that we offer at Amy DeBusk Home Loans, powered by American Pacific Mortgage. My name is Amy DeBusk, and over the last 25 years, what I'm known best for is making mortgage easy and simple to understand. And I am known for finding unique products like the Fix and Flip program for my investors. And so today I'm going to do a deep dive on this Fix and Flip program that I'm so excited about. So, number one, who is the Fix and Flip program for? It is for investors only. If you're a first time investor, you would be eligible. We welcome first time investors. And if you're an experienced investor, you don't have to put as much money into the project, and the interest rates are a little bit lower. What type of property does the fix and flip program offer? Can finance 1 to 4 units. So single family residences up to 4 units. So a duplex, triplex, or a 4 unit. You could do our fix and flip program for. And we are in 49 states. And today we're going to be doing a deep dive on a investment property in Northern California. Sacramento is where we found a property to pencil out for you. So, we're going to get to that in a little bit. But first, I want to go through the features of this program because I think I'm going to blow you away. Number one, this is a stated income, a true stated income loan. We do not verify income, we do not verify assets. So, we don't care where the down payment's coming from, and we don't require reserves. The other thing that I am like just learning that we do not need to verify or get the general contractor approved on this program. That's a huge win because I don't know if you've ever vetted out other like FHA 203K rehab loans or even a custom construction loan. It, other programs require, a deep pre-approval process for the general contractor, and they're micromanage who can actually run the job for you and who can do the work for you. This product is not like that. So really, you could have anybody that you see fit do the scope of the work to get the house rehabbed. And I love this product because it's super easy to get the money as well. So we'll obviously, when you buy the house, we're going to fund the purchase, and then we're going to set aside an account for the rehab. And then you'll get a certain amount of that money up front when we fund the loan. And then there'll be money sitting in an account that you can access as you go through the project and start rehabbing the house. But when you're to that stage, when you've done some work on the house and you're looking for a distribution from the account of the rehab money, all you do is we have an app that you download on your phone. You go around and take pictures of all the work that's been done thus far, and you upload the pictures to the app, and then there you go. Voila. Within 24 to 48 hours, you have your money. Gone are the days when we send an inspector out and you wait 3 weeks for the money to come in. Yeah, no, we are in the 21st century, and it's you're in control of taking the pictures and taking the good pictures of what's been done so far, uploading them to your phone, and you're in. You'll be getting that money, like I said, within 24 to 48 hours of making the request. So that's amazing. So another thing is that this is a very fast process. So we can fund a loan within 2 weeks. And I mean, other loans my normal conventional loans for owner occupants usually takes about 21 to 30 days. So to fund a loan in under 2 weeks is phenomenal. So, I have been doing a lot of work with Chat GPT recently, and I was talking with my bot, who I lovingly call Gus, talking to him about this program and, just preparing for my live today. And I got the idea during my conversation with Gus, my bot, on ChatGPT that maybe he could go out and find a listing that might fit this product so that I could, share more information with you and explain it a little bit better. Anyway, so I'm super excited because Gus went out and found a house in Sacramento in a neighborhood called Land Park. So in Sacramento, if you know Land Park is one of the most prestigious neighborhoods. There's multi-million dollar homes. It's a very old community, and it's very sought after. And there's very few homes that come on the market that are, that move in ready. So Gus found a fixer upper, and I looked, and it's a light fixer is what I would consider. So original bathrooms, original kitchen. It definitely needs the pool needs to be resurfaced. The yard needs to be spruced up and maybe some landscaping done. It needs new flooring. It doesn't have any flooring in it. So we use that as an example. So it list price for this house is $729,000. So if you were to buy this house for 729,000, based on the comps and based on what's selling that's actually already move in ready, updated and ready to go, the homes in the same, like, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2,500 square feet with a swimming pool, nice backyard in this area are selling for around 950,000. So, potentially you'd be able to sell the house after its rehab for 950,000. Now, I asked my bot, Gus, how much he thought it would cost to rehab this house. So, what would be the cost breakdown? And he said that the range would be between 50 and 80,000 to rehab this house, knowing that, building materials are still really expensive. Let's go with 80,000. So, we spent 80,000 on the rehab. We bought the house for 729,000 and the end value is 950,000. And just to be fair, we're going to build in some costs there for the interest that you're being charged on the loan and the costs of the loan, because there's real costs, closing costs to buy the house, and then the discount points for the loan product. And so when it's all done and said, your out of pocket costs were going to be about 127,000 if it took you 4 months to rehab the property and maybe another 3 months to sell the house. Just, you know leaving some margin for, making maybe it takes a little bit longer. So anyway, all that's done and said, your profit at the end of the day on this property would be $93,000. I mean, I actually showed this to one of my investors and she was pretty impressed. So if any of this sounds like you'd like to learn more about the fix and flip product and how it could help you in your next project, you can log on to talkingwithamy.com. That's talkingwithamy.com for a 30-minute discovery call. It is free to have a consultation with me, and we can, talk about whether this product is right for you. Oh, I wanted to go over a couple more things that you might have questions about. One is that if you're a first time flipper, so you've never done this before, your skin in the game is going to be 30% down of the end value. So 30% down of 950,000. And then, if you're an experienced flipper, and what we deem as experienced is you need to have flipped 3 homes, rehabbed and flipped 3 homes within the last 36 months. So, if you're an experienced flipper, we only require a 25% down. What I love about the investor that I work with on this product is they reward repeat business. So, what we really want is we want you to go out and do your project and sell it and come back and do another project with us. So when you come back again for that second and that third and fourth project, they reward that, and they give you lower interest rates, and they will finance more of your project as you build the relationship with us, the investor. So anyway, I just thought I'd add that in because I know that gone are the days where banks, really rewarded a repeat customer in that way. So I find that a lot of my investors really appreciate that. So if you have any questions at all, please log on to talkingwithamy.com, book a discovery call with me. It is free. And we will be here same time next week talking about the DSCR loan. So that's a debt service loan. And it's a nice segue from the fix and flip. Because let's say you wanted to, maybe you decided that this home in Land Park was going to be a good long term rental, and you wanted to refinance the fix and flip financing into a long term loan. You could do this refinance into a DSCR loan and still reap the benefits from a stated income loan, because the debt service loan, the DSCR loan, the income is based on how much income the property can generate. So again, on a DSCR loan, we're not verifying income through traditional sources of tax returns and bank statements and W-2s and that kind of thing. So tune in next week, same time. We'll be here at 1:30 next week, and we'll be talking about the DSCR loan. So you definitely want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm wishing you a very happy Friday and have a great weekend.